Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 13th of May, 2015. Hope you're having a good trading week. Here's a look at the S&P ES front-month futures contract. As we talked about, ran into that green static trend line on Monday and came back. Today tried to go lower initially and came back. And that's it. Not much else new to say. We're not in any place new. There's no more information than we had yesterday. The S&P cash closed down 6, right on the 10-day EMA. The NDX, NASDAQ 100, closed down 18. It did fill its gap. Stocks closed down 6. Biotechs closed down 6. NASDAQ volume closed at 1.58 billion shares, lighter than Monday, which is not great. The VIX closed basically flat after heading higher initially. We've got crude oil up $1.32 at 60.57. Got gold up $10.50 at 11.93.50. Got the trend closing at 1.05. 1.05 drags that 10-day moving average, keeps it above the 0.85 level. So it has not gotten the hazardous below 0.85 level on that blue line. That would be very negative for the market if it did. By the way, the 10 days back, if you count, is actually one of the lowest days here. So that's going to bring the average up unless we have another low day. So it's going to have a hard time getting that 0.85 close or lower on the 10-day moving average of the trend. So that may not be in the cards quite yet. We'll see. All right, that's about it. Let's take a look at the ES front month futures. 5-minute charts, you can see we gapped down. First hour was a choppy mess. We did do some good futures trading with our opening range plans. Then we finally broke out, head back up, finally filled the gap in the middle of lunch. A little bit after lunch, we tried to push higher and failed and ended up closing back towards the VWAP, but not on it. NASDAQ side, here's the NQs in the 5-minute time frame. Doesn't look much different. All right, so what do we have left? What do we have next for the week? On Wednesday, MBA mortgage index, retail sales, import-export prices. That's before the bell. Business inventories 30 minutes in. Crude oil inventories, that's a weekly number, an hour in. Still have other minor numbers coming the day after. The one thing to remember is this is options expiration week. That is the focal point. Friday will be dead because of it. But we should get, or could get, an options unraveling move, which would occur typically Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday is the more common day, so we'll be watching after the first hour's play and see if we get a consistent move from there. We'll be in the lab helping you make money. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you do find these videos useful, please like them on YouTube. It does help us out. Have a great trading day.